Meaning of flail.
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 Flail. The word flail can have multiple meanings depending on the context. One definition is a tool used for threshing grain. The flail consists of a long handle with a freely swinging stick or bar at the end. Another meaning is to wave or swing wildly, often in an uncontrolled manner, especially when in distress or panic. When someone flails, they often appear erratic and out of control. The result of flailing can be physical harm to oneself or others nearby, as well as failure to effectively deal with the situation at hand.